How to fix Huawei mobile phone camera distortion. So let's start the video. First of all, restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button. And then click on restart. After restart your device, then clean your camera lens with soft cloth or tissue. After cleaning your camera lens, then open settings. In settings, scroll down and then click on apps. And then again click on apps. Now here you can see the option camera. Now click on camera and then click on storage. Now here you can clear your cache storage. After clear your cache storage, then go back to your home screen and open camera. On top right corner you can see setting icon. Now click on it and then scroll down in last and then click on restore defaults and then click on OK. After restore defaults, then open settings again and then scroll down in last and click on system and updates. On top you can see the option software update. Now click on software update and here you can check your software updates. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After that your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.